guys, I hope you're doing great and amazing. So yes, this reading is all about your next 7 days. What's coming towards you? Okay, within this after this after this video's next 7 days. Okay, in terms of love, career, or both, or anything. So yeah, means health भी है इसमें. So do not mind. Divine energies, tell me what's coming towards my collective within after this like the next 7 days in terms of love, career, finance, health, okay, politics, fighting. Whoa, what a roller coaster ride we are having here. What is coming next 7 days? What's coming towards my collective? Okay. Fighting के बाद aloneness, moment to moment. What is coming? Okay. एक flip होके गिर गया. Okay, I will give this here. So मतलब easily दिख सके. Suppression card है. बाप रे क्या चीज़ आ रही है बाबा आपकी लाइफ में ऐसी. बहुत ही अजीब एकदम ट्रांसफॉर्मेशनल कार्ड्स लग रहे हैं मुझे यहाँ पे. पता नहीं अलग ही फीलिंग आ रही है मुझे. या करेज, सॉरो, और बॉटम ऑफ द डेक क्या है. कंडीशनिंग रिवर्सल में आया है इफ़ यू कैन सी, बट आई वोंट बी टेकिंग दैट. एंड कंडीशनिंग के बाद में फ्लावरिंग आया है. ओके गाइस, सो या लेट्स सी what exactly this reading is all about. Okay, I hope you are kind of seeing this. Okay, let me just pull the cards nicely and take the energies. Okay, number 7, number 9, number 2, number 10. Okay, I'm feeling this. Number 8, you can be seeing 777, 999, 222, 1010. Okay, so yeah, take as it resonates. 8 भी है. Okay, किसी किसी के लिए 888 भी है. So yeah. Okay, so let's start with the reading, guys. ये जो बीच में ये काला हो जाता है ना, मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता है. Honestly, I just hate it when it gets dark on the screen. Okay, so this Vix energy kind of asks you to shed false identities, guys. Okay, break away from limiting beliefs and stop fitting into roles that no longer serve your highest self. You're not a sheep, you're a lion that's been made to believe you are something smaller. Okay, that is something, and the theme is all about. You're about to, confront powerful inner truths. Don't resist your nature, reclaim it. Divine angels are telling you because that is the theme. Okay, in terms of love, okay, I really feel that this is a very heavy week emotionally, especially in the matters of the heart for some of you. You may be holding in a lot of emotional pain or unmet desires via the suppression card. Past the sorrow card is also like talking about past heartbreak or unresolved grief is weighing on your energy. Someone, the politics card is like someone around you may not be fully honest or hiding being behind masks. So this is not the week of for clarity and love, but rather a time for emotional detox and release for you. Okay, and I'm getting the guidance for you is like don't suppress your feelings. Journal, cry, speak your truth, not to get a reaction, but to release the pressure within you. You don't need to fix anything yet. Just allow the emotions to move forward. Healing isn't pretty, but it's scary. So yeah, I really can understand that. um, so that is something I am really understanding from that. um, as well as in terms of career, I also feel that for some of you in career, take as it resonates. Okay guys, I'm getting the download, so I will be letting you know as regards to that very quickly, because this is very quick kind of reading that I'm having right now. So in terms of career, I really feel that you may feel a bit defensive or misunderstood at work. Secondly, you are like dealing with like conflicts or competition, or ego clashes, or maybe fighting with this fighting card. I'm getting that energy as well from the loneliness or aloneness. In short, you may prefer solitude or introspection this week over group settings for some of you. So it's a good time to pull back from reactive decisions and focus on your inner directions. Choose your battles wisely, divine angels are telling me, and silence can be more powerful than reacting. So clarity will come in solitude for you in this week. This is a week of inner recalibration, not public performance for you guys. So remember that, and when nothing makes sense outside, turn within. That's where your next step is hidden. And yeah, the next 7 days is like the next seven steps, or next seven movements or something like that, and this is the next step that you have to do. Divine angels are saying. So in terms of finance, for some of you, I really feel that in the realm of finance, things are improving, okay, slowly but surely. You may be pushing through kind of old fears or scarcity patterns from this courage card, okay. And the harmony card is also letting me know that by this week's ends, there's a sense of peace and contentment in finances, okay. You will be getting a good news, or for some of you, or a job offer letter, or your you will get some finances, okay. Or some of the like other kind of breakthroughs. So expect a small win, or unexpected kind of help or breakthrough that reminds you are on the right path. You have survived the hard part, divine angels are letting me know, and divine angels guiding you that trust your efforts, keep showing up, even if you don't feel like showing off, you are getting feared or something, like you just trust your efforts and keep showing up, just do that. The flower pushing through the rock is you, okay, this one. So, and your resilience is like of paying off, divine users are saying. Don't underestimate the quiet progress. Wealth begins with emotional peace. So yeah, definitely when you are whole in yourself, and you're feeling harmonized and feeling you're enjoying the process as this person, same you have to do in your own things, okay, because that is something I'm getting. You are not enjoying your moment to moment kind of stuff, your daily stuff, then definitely you will be enjoying those things, because you are knowing that enjoying yourself, your own company is more beneficial and attractive to 100 opportunities, okay. And in terms of health also, I'm getting that your physical and mental well-being depends heavily on how present you are this week, okay, not in the past, not in the future, but in this present moment. So you may feel like you are walking a tightrope or balancing emotions, duties, energy, but if you stay grounded in the present moment, your body will respond positively. Also do some kind of exercise, breathing exercise. This card also asks you to slow down, breathe, stretch, and be mindful of what you are consuming physically and emotionally and soul level, okay. As well as the guidance for you guys is one step at a time. Don't future trip, drink water, move your body gently, and center your thoughts. Wellness isn't found in the big goals, okay, it's in the small sacred pauses, okay. As well as this week, you are shedding skins, false identities, old patterns, emotional burdens. Don't be scared if it feels like things are falling apart. They are actually falling into realignment. Universe is telling you that breakthrough is the preparation for a, I don't know, but this is something weird. The breakdown is the preparation for a breakthrough. I don't know why I said breakthrough, but yeah, I'm very much excited to get that breakthrough. Okay, so yeah, love yourself through this. Divine angels are saying, because that's very important. Um And stop worrying about things, stop conditioning yourself. And yes, this edit portal has activated a lot of kind of things in you. Okay, because when whenever this 88 portal comes, it has the massive energy transform you. The tower movement happens because yes, it's very important. This conditioning card is actually major arcana, which is kind of giving the devil kind of energy in traditional tarot for me. Also this week centers around breaking free from illusions, and especially illusions about yourself. So yeah, mark my words, okay guys, because this is something that I'm getting. And you really need to focus on that. You may have been like raised or trained to be tame or obedient or agreeable, and now you are sensing you were meant for something far more powerful and authentic. Also this card shows a lion in a flock. If you can see a flock of sheep, conditioned to believe it's one of them. You may be dealing with false identity as well, people pleasing or self doubt kind of issues. So this week the universe pushes you to ask, am I living as my true self, or as someone others expect me to be? So definitely distinguish between that those two. Okay, and in kind of, I don't know, but in kinds of love and relationship, this separation card is like telling me that you're holding in too much emotional weight. This card also screams that emotional exhaustion, tension, and feeling trapped, often by unspoken desires or expectations. You may feel overwhelmed as well by your own feelings or burdens by what the relationship has become right now. This can also mean you are suppressing your voice, holding back your throat to avoid conflict or to protect someone else's feelings. This can be the case as well. So this is this is burned out in the heart. You need release right now, whether that's crying, screaming into a pillow, or writing, or having a tough conversation. Your emotional body wants freedom right now. So because it cannot, if this person is feeling so trapped, and so he or she wants that kind of freedom right now. Also the sorrow card here is kind of talking about deep unprocessed emotional grief, not just sadness, but the kind of grief that that ages the soul and comes from disconnection. A past love or breakup or abandonment wound may still be playing out in your current dynamics. You may feel like you gave your heart to someone who couldn't hold it. So just remember that healing isn't linear. If you have been distracting yourself from this pain, this week may force you to feel it again, but only so it can finally leave your system completely. Okay, so that is something I'm getting, as well as this politics card is giving me the seven of air, or the swords kind of energy in traditional tarot, which is someone in your relationship felt is not being genuine. Also this card suggests that mask or manipulation or pretenses is there. So you or the other person may be wearing a happy face while hiding true thoughts or resentment or confusion underneath. Alternatively, this can also reflect internal emotional politics, telling yourself stories that protect you from the pain but aren't the full truth. Okay, this week clarity will come when masks are dropped. Ask yourself in that am I being emotionally honest or just polite? Ask these things for you, because that is something I'm really gating. As well as this fighting card beside, if you can see this two, this four is very different and this four is very different. So yeah, that is something I'm getting. So this fighting card here is kind of talking about there's tension, competition or resistance in your professional field this week. You may feel defensive, attacked, or simply tired of proving yourself. So you might be dealing with someone who constantly challenges you, or even your own inner critic pushing you too hard. So just know that not every fire needs to be fought. Choose peace over pride, presence over reaction. Ground yourself before making work decisions this week. That is something that I'm getting. The aloneness card here is giving me the vibe of the hermit card, and the like a very kind of a very powerful introspective card this is. And you are like being pulled inward for the answers that you have, that the questions you have for them, you have to put it inward for all the answers to your questions. This is not loneliness, divine angels are telling you. It's a sacred solitude for you guys. Also, you may find that the only clarity you receive this week comes when you disconnect from outer noise and retreat your intention um, and intuitions. You're on the edge of, like, breakthrough, but it won't come through external validation. This week, keep a journal, go for walks alone, or meditate. Your career answers lie in silence, divine angels are telling me. This the courage card is talking about, a flower growing out, of a rock, which is kind of giving me the energy of resilience, grit, and breakthroughs against all the odds. Okay, no matter what your condition is, that whatever you're going through financially, this week brings, small but powerful growth for you guys. You may see, money flow from unexpected sources, or finally feel a shift in your mindset from survival to possibilities. As well, your patience and efforts are blooming, divine angels are saying. Maybe, keep tending your garden, even if the results are slow. Courage is equal to, consistency this week, so definitely be consistent. Okay, what, no matter whatever you're doing, maybe you're doing influencing kind of a stuff, you're doing any YouTube kind of anything, whatever the work is, projects you are, or something like that, just keep going on. As well as this harmony card is actually giving me the ten of cups kind of energy, which is which is a very beautiful card for me right now, in which is giving the inner peace around money is within reach. This doesn't mean a lottery win for you, okay, so just know that, but a deep emotional satisfaction with what you have, and what you are building. So take as it resonates, because I'm getting very like very quick kind of energies this are, and whatever I'm getting, the downloads and the messages, I'm just letting you know, guys. Okay, so you may realize money doesn't control your self-worth. This is time to feel safe, even if the numbers aren't perfect yet. So this can be happening. In abundance creates out of flow. This week, gratitude will become your greatest magnet. Just remember that. So do the gratitude, gratitude, make a gratitude list, and be very thankful and grateful for whatever you have in your life. In terms of health and mind and body wellness, the moment to movement card is kind of, giving me the balance, mindfulness, and presence. As you can see, this person is having that all three capabilities, and you may feel like you're walking a tightrope, juggling emotions, responsibilities, and healing. But this is a gentle reminder from this card that your body flow follows your mind. When you slow your thoughts, your nervous system relaxes. So take it one breath at a time this week. Avoid extremes, hydrate, stretch, walk barefoot, breathe, stay in your body. Okay, do not get out of your body. So that is something. And the final message from this is, like, you're breaking through something ancestral, emotional, and deeply karmic this week. It may not feel pretty, but it is sacred. Let go of roles, masks, and heavy stories. Return to yourself, your truth, your peace, and your presence. And mark my words, guys, you will really feeling the immense kind of different energies after this week. And this reading was very, very, like, all kind of inner balance and inner critics. Okay, so yeah, this edit portal has done its work, I feel. And yeah, if you definitely like this video, then love this video, do like, and let me know what kind of more videos you want to want to listen, or want from me. As well as, if you're feeling like sharing to me something that you are going through and cannot talk about, you can mail me. There is my mail, okay, or you can DM me on my Instagram account, definitely. And definitely, guys, you can reach me out, and then definitely I will give help you in every sense and form. Okay, bye.